DRDO's Aeronautical Development Agency had invited online bids for the design and development of Throttle Quadrant assembly for AMCA fighter jet program. The Throttle Quadrant assembly allows pilots to command and control the thrust of each engine on the ground and also during the flight, and reduces pilot workload during the thrust measurements by specifying a desired flight characteristic, and also results in optimization of the fuel efficiency. 3 private sector companies had bid for the Throttle Quadrant assembly, that includes Seeker Interplant Systems Limited, Southern Electronics Private Limited, and Larsen & Toubro Limited. According to a report by the Technical and Cost Evaluation Committee, the evaluation of the technical proposals submitted by the 3 vendors was held on the 16th of December 2021, after which only the bids by Larsen & Toubro and Southern Electronics Private Limited were technically recommended, and according to exclusive information, Larsen & Toubro has been awarded the bid for the design and development of Throttle Quadrant assembly for the AMCA 5.5 generation fighter program. The DRDO has asked the interested private sector companies to submit their feasibility studies for the development of ground-to-air infrared tracking and measurement system that will be executed under the DRDO's Technology Development Fund scheme. The objective of the project is to develop a system for ground-to-air infrared tracking and measurement of aerial targets such as aircraft at a range of 5 km and 2 km altitude. Major systems and subsystems include radiometric infrared imaging system with high frame rate, an optical imaging system with auto-tracking of airborne target, a slaved pan tilt unit for mounting the infrared system, data acquisition software for saving infrared measurements such as angle and range, as well as a post-processing software for data analysis. The first batch of 3 MH-60R anti-submarine helicopters were handed over to an Indian Navy team in the US last year, and officials have confirmed that the first 3 helicopters will arrive in India by mid-July. A case for procurement of 6 Kamov-31 airborne early warning helicopters from Russia is now being reviewed by the Defense Acquisition Council, that will be deployed on indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant. The tender for 111 naval utility helicopters is currently being reviewed by Defense Acquisition Council, while another major requirement for 123 multi-role helicopters is also pending. The central government is working to create more emergency landing airstrips on highways across the country. 28 locations have been identified on key and strategic operational national highways to build landing strips for military aircraft. Out of the 28 locations, civil works are complete for 1 location, and civil work is in progress for 4 other locations. China will deliver 25 J-10C fighter jets to Pakistan by the end of this month, and currently the pilots and technicians of Pakistan Air Force are undergoing introduction to the aircraft. Top analysts have said that the main reason why China is transferring its J-10C aircraft to Pakistan is to close the air power gap with India after its acquisition of 36 Rafale F-3R standard fighter jets from France. China has already delivered the first of the 4 Type 54A frigates to Pakistan, and is expected to deliver the first of the 8 Type 41 submarines in second half of 2022. China is also setting up a maintenance and overhaul facility for its FM-90 air defense missile in Bangladesh, that can also double up as a production assembly line of its advanced variants.
Omar dropped it.